The look I'm creating today is mostly with the highlighters and red lips. So let's get started. In winters, our skin need more hydration, so I have moisturized my face and I have also moisturized my lips. I have applied the lip balm as well. And let's start with the face makeup. So I'm going to use this foundation by M.A.C on my face. I've done applying the foundation now, and if you have skin imperfection like any scars or something, or under eye area you need to hide, and in that case use a good concealer. I swear by Fit Me concealer. This is quite pocket friendly, and as well it gives full coverage. So I'm gonna apply it under my eyes and above my lips. The look I'm creating today is mostly a clean or a simple face look, so that is why hiding imperfection is a key for this look. Let me start with the eye makeup. To start with, I'm going to apply compact on my eyelids because my eyelids are quite oily. This is going to absorb extra oil, as well as it's going to make a perfect base. I'm going to apply it on the lower or the under eye area as well. I just want to make it a matte texture, so that's why. For the look, I'm going to draw winged eyeliner, for which I'm going to use brush from M.A.C and eyeliner from Bobbi Brown. I've drawn the basic line, as you can see. I'll do that on the other eye as well. Before drawing the eyeliner or the winged eyeliner, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to apply Kajal on my upper waterline as well. This gives fuller eyelash look. So I'm done with applying Kajal. Now is the wing part. I'll show you a simple trick here. Use any card, and from the corner of your eyes to the end of your eyebrow, that is where it should be. Now draw the line. Length of the line depends on your preference. Now connect the upper liner with the end of this line. Now that there is a triangle, just fill in that triangle. So this is how I draw wing liner usually. I'll repeat that on my other eye as well. I've drawn the wing liner. I hope it's looking good. Now let me curl my eyelashes. To keep the curl intact and to make my eyelashes look fuller, I'm going to apply a layer of mascara. I'm using mascara from the Body Shop. For the lower eyelash, for the lower waterline, I'm going to apply a white or silver, a kind of silver shade Kajal. This is going to give open eyes or a fresh eyes look. You can skip this step if you want. you don't have white or silver kajal handy, you can use white eyeshadow as well. Even though I have good eyebrow, I need few fill-ups, so I'm going to use the brow gel from Benefits. This is from Benefit Cosmetics, and this comes with brush as well. I'm done with my eye makeup and my eyebrows. Now the remaining part, the blush and importantly highlighter. For my cheeks, I'm going to use this blush from Bobbi Brown. This is a cream one. This is lip as well as cheek tint. This blush looks really natural, that's why I love this blush from Bobbi Brown. Now comes the important part, highlighter. I'm going to use this cute highlighter from Blushing Hearts. I've done a separate tutorial for highlighters, so you can check that video out to know more about highlighters and how to apply them. So for today, I'm going to apply highlighter on my cheeks, nose and chin. This is basically highlighter is highlighting the points of your face wherever the light falls. It's going to give you a shiny or a very glowy look, so that is why highlighter is used. You can use brush as well to apply, but I prefer fingers. Tip of your nose, on Cupid bow, make sure you apply it on the brow bone as well. For this, I'm going to use the brush. Now comes the final and most important part, lipstick. I'm going to use the red lipstick as I said. So this is from Maybelline. The shade is Siren in Scarlet, 690. So this is the glowy, simple look I created. Hope you like it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And also the products which I have used for this look, I have mentioned the links for those products in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.